Hi everybody, it's Doug again. Welcome to another home tour. This one's a condo tour here up on Burnaby Mountain and Fraser University. I'd like to thank the listing agent, Shih at Macdonald Realty Westmar, for giving us the opportunity to view the listing today. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 851 square foot condo. You have access to the road right through here. You have a 600 square foot patio, and it's a perfect place to live here and work at the university. So come on in, let's go take a look. And here we are at the patio. It's 600 square feet, large patio with a little bit of a grass area to kick a ball around. But the best part is you have this large space here for a big table. Right now, the current owner has a small bistro table, but you can get your barbecue in place, a table, maybe a lounge set here, but it's a great size entertainment area with lots of sun, as you can see, facing southeast. And let's go inside right now and take a look at what's happening there. And here we are inside the property. It's a 12-foot ceiling in here with plenty of windows, bringing a lot of natural light. There's a projector screen TV up there as well, if you'd like that. We've got a gas fireplace with a mantle. You can put a lot of your special pictures up top here as well. A lot of space for a large sectional. Over here, there is an office built in at the moment, but you know, if you didn't want the office right here, you can easily put in a wine cellar or put in a buffet table. It's perfect because the dining room's right here. The kitchen, nice open kitchen. You get to see everybody while you're working in the kitchen. You got double sinks here, dishwasher down here. It's a 5-burner gas range, and your fridge here, microwave oven shelf right here. Plenty of counter space to do some prep work. And you have a nice large pendant light here overlooking the dining room table. You could possibly have a larger table. This seats 4 at the moment. Plus you can put some bench seating up here as well on the countertop. So this is easy for a party. You put your trays up here. People can mingle, lots of space, a great place to entertain, especially with the outdoors and the indoors. Out here is access to the hallway and also access to your parking, the community room, the fitness center, all down this direction here, and coat closet right up here. And let's go into the bedroom. And just coming into the primary bedroom, we have a bathroom here, the bathroom that your guests will use. And over here is their laundry that's tucked away in this closet. Coming here into the primary bedroom, it's a large bedroom. It could fit a king-size bed. You got plenty of light here, a little niche that you can put a reading nook, or these people right now have themselves set up as a little office and a desk. There's actually windows that go all the way up here. It's very bright. And over here is your primary bathroom and your closet. Now, the primary bathroom has a big soaker tub, shower unit, and plenty of space on the counter to put all your goods. There's a large walk-in closet, and there's a secondary closet right next to that. And let's go into the second bedroom, which is just off the living room space. This is set up as a children's bedroom at the moment, but the great thing about this, there's a loft here. Remember, this is 12-foot ceilings here, so they built a loft up above. And the bed's down below here. There's a little desk here. You also have the window facing out onto the garden. This is a perfect place for a child, especially when you get to go upstairs to the loft. Well, that's the end of our tour today. I'd like to thank again Ivy Shih of Macdonald Realty Westmar for allowing us the opportunity to view the property. More information is listed in the description below. If you like these tours, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again on the next tour.